we'll guide you through how to set up Stripe Express. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to the Stripe Express dashboard. This is where you'll manage your payments and account settings. If you haven't set up an account yet, click on the Get Started button to begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your personal or business details, such as your legal name, business name, and tax ID if applicable. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your banking details. Make sure you have your bank account number and sort code ready. Enter them carefully to ensure your payouts are sent to the correct account. After that, you might need to verify your identity, which usually involves uploading a photo ID like a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompts to upload your documents, and make sure the images are clear and readable. Once your identity is verified, you'll be directed to set up two-step authentication. This is an important security step and involves linking your phone number to receive a verification code each time you log in. After setting up two-step authentication, review your account details to ensure everything is accurate. You can also customize your payout schedule at this stage. Decide whether you want daily, weekly, or monthly payouts based on your preference. If you need to, you can also link additional bank accounts or payment methods under your account settings. Once everything is set up, you can start receiving payments through Stripe. It's always a good idea to double-check your account settings and make sure all the information is up to date. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.